Ladies, gentlemen, distinguished guests, friends old and new, it's my privilege to welcome you all here to Kitzbühel for the 6th Annual World Ski Awards.
We are all dedicated to skiing, and the World Ski Awards show us if we are on the right path to excellency.
The Kitzbühel Ski Club is the most famous ski club in the world.
First of all, we have the privilege to share your company. Secondly, we had a wonderful walk down the Honeycomb.
For me, it's a pleasure and an honor to welcome as our guest.
And in order to become better, this event also gives us the opportunity to get together.
Thank you very much for all your support and thank you very much for coming to Kitzbühel.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to the World Ski Awards, the gala ceremony for 2018. It's great to see so many familiar faces and returning friends here tonight.
Tonight's event marks the culmination of a year-long search. It's been a thrilling journey as we explored the global ski hospitality industry in pursuit of the very best resorts, hotels, chalets and tour operators, travel agents and ski businesses.
Hugely prestigious, a lot of people here, all the great and the good of the ski industry, and we're very proud to be amongst them.
For us it's very important and interesting to see each other.
And for us ski is very important, so we are very proud to have won this prize.
The Ski Award for me is a fantastic organization. We are very proud to be part of it. We know that it comes directly from our customers, and that proves that we have the good strategy, and that helps us to keep improving.
By winning this award, we're on the world map, and we're doing it year after year, and we're hopefully providing that experience our guests are looking for.
We advertise that we have won this prize and people are really keen on that and we have more and more business.
Our vision is to bring ski to the people.
I think Chinese is the biggest market in the world.
So it's the best advertisement, it's the best marketing, and we are really very proud.
As an organization that's got world status, any way we can brand ourselves and garner new people to come take a look at us, it helps and we appreciate it.
I really love the industry, I really love the sport. It's amazing to be here. Thank you very much.
I think there's no better start than this. Thank you so much. I'm very honored and pleased.
Everything we do is about excellence. We're very, very proud of this award. This is what it's all about.
I'm very happy in my life. The best happy.
Well, I think we are in a business of humans. I'm very proud to see how different every country is. This is the power that winter sports tourism has, and we have to work together all. We are not competitors. Humanity, people are the power.
I would like to say thank you very much for all team who create unforgettable ceremony. Really fabulous ceremony.
We're just really thrilled with all the support we've received from our peers as well as the World Ski Awards over the years.
Well, we hope to come back next year.
I'm so happy, really sincerely, I'm so happy.
That smile's going to be on your face all night, I'm sure. Congratulations to all our winners. Well, everybody here that has been formally recognised this evening are really the standard bearers in the whole ski tourism community, and I hope recognition here tonight will inspire you to reach even greater heights in your search for success. Thank you.